Okay, here's the deal. Whether you have been dealing with skin discoloration due to melasma, or due to age spots, or due to discoloration due to sunburn, or the discoloration of the private parts, use this body butter for 3 months and see your skin sparkle. Trust me. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and I have already taught how to make a toxin free homemade shampoo, conditioner as well as hair oil, and I am seeing wonderful results in my patients with all these products. Today we will learn how to make a natural toxin free body butter. Every body butter has an oil phase and a water phase, and we have to emulsify these two phases. I have used chemicals which are safe and natural. So the first ingredient that I am weighing out for my water phase is alpha arbutin. Alpha arbutin works by inhibiting an enzyme called tyrosinase within the melanocytes. Melanocytes control the melanin production. So basically it helps to decrease the pigmentation of the skin anywhere and everywhere, and it is natural and it is safe. I am using in a concentration of 2%, which is recommended safe by the FDA. Anyway, for the water phase we need some water. Use distilled water for better results. Previously I have also taught how to make 10% niacinamide serum. Serums are totally water based. They don't have any oily component, so we don't need an emulsifier, but in this case we need an emulsifier. Anyway, add all the ingredients of water phase to the water and mix it well. Keep it aside. Our water phase is done. Now for the oil phase. For the oil phase we'll start by measuring out our star ingredient, the kojic acid. Kojic acid works by blocking tyrosine from forming, which then prevents the melanin production. Decreased melanin production may have a lightening effect on the skin. So basically I have used all the ingredients which are safe and which are used for whitening. I have used arbutin in the water phase, kojic acid in the oil phase, and I'll use another ingredient which has been time tested since centuries. So watch the video till the end. Anyway, the next ingredient is BTMS. BTMS is the emulsifier that we use to mix up the water phase and the oil phase. Just measure it out, keep it aside, and now to our star ingredient, the turmeric oil. I have taught how to make turmeric oil at home, and to watch the recipe you have to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it, so you get immediate notification of all the wonderful and money saving recipes that I share. Believe me, I have used this butter and I am so impressed I have stopped buying any body butters from outside. The next ingredient that we are using in our oil phase is shea butter. Shea butter is basically a fertilizer for the skin. If you use shea butter in any form for your hair or your skins, it will show. People will ask you what you do with your skin. Anyway, we have to mix all the ingredients in the jar, and we'll add some mango butter also. Again, I have taught how to make mango butter from mango seeds. You can watch the recipe of this mango butter only on one condition: you should subscribe to our channel. Anyway, once we have mixed up all the oil phase ingredients and the water phase ingredients, we will put them in a pan of water, just enough to cover the bottom of both our containers of the oil phase and the water phase. We will keep the flame low and we will heat it until the ingredients of the oil phase are basically all liquid, like there should be no solid. This is the temperature required for the water phase as well as the oil phase. Once this temperature is achieved, we will just take it off the flame, cool it down, and mix the water phase with the oil phase. Now with the help of a hand blender or an egg beater also, you can mix up both the phases. Once they have cooled down, in the cool down phase we will add our preservative. The Germal Plus is a very safe preservative. You can also add some fragrance. If you don't want to add the fragrance, it is your choice. Anyway, our body butter is almost done. You can see it does not come out of the container. It is sticking to the container, and once you rub it on the skin, you will find it is not greasy at all. And as soon as you rub it into your skin, you will see your skin sparkle. Really, it has a fantastic effect on the skin. Now you can just pour out the body butter in any container like this, but I used my piping bag and I piped out beautiful florets of my body butter. Just keep it away from kids, otherwise they might eat it. It is so fragrant and looks so yummy. If you don't want to make it, I have made it and it is available in our clinic. But seriously, use it and let me know how much you liked it. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.